I'm actually gonna sneeze. No, cactus guy, no. Ew, cactus guy, what have you done? Oh, sorry, Aiden. I will never do that again. Fine. A few minutes later. Okay, now I'm doing my homework. Okay, I'm gonna start sneezing right now. Okay. Wait, what's this? Huh. Ew, cactus guy. Did I did it again? Absolutely, cactus guy. Look at this disgusting something. So smells bad. Okay, what am I doing when I sneeze? If you want to sneeze, do this or do that, so they can not go the germs over this pencil, cause that's disgusting. Okay.